Hello you! Welcome to your new Moto G6 Play. It was designed with you in mind, and I'm going to give you a quick summary of all the fantastic features it has, so you can do more with it. Check out the display. This is an 18:9 HD Plus Max Vision display, which spans from edge to edge, which means you can see more in one glance. Bigger picture, lesser scrolling, more viewing. You can enjoy an ultra-wide landscape view of games, get fully immersed in your favorite music videos, and so much more. And with a massive 4000 mAh battery, your Moto G6 Play can go on non-stop for up to 32 hours. When you do need to recharge, just use the 15-watt turbo power charger that comes with the phone and get hours of power in just minutes of charging. Awesome, isn't it? What else should you do on your new phone? Take amazing pictures. Just twist your wrist to open the 30-megapixel camera with Face Detect autofocus instantly. It lets you focus fast enough so you never have to miss any moment. You can also click pictures using the burst mode and select the best picture later. All you need to do is long press on the camera button. Swipe right to see all the settings of your rear camera. You can also enable Tap Anywhere to capture, to be able to click pictures by tapping anywhere on the screen. You can also click slow-mo videos on your Moto G6 Play. And if you like to have more control while clicking pictures, there's the professional mode, which can give you the same manual settings you'd expect to find on a professional SLR camera. Adjust the focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation. And this phone rocks an 8-megapixel selfie camera with LED flash to give you awesome selfies, even in low light. You can also improve your selfies by smoothing the skin with the beautification mode. Choose this camera setting manually or have all your selfies beautified automatically too. If you go into the Moto app, you'll see a host of cool Moto experiences to explore. These Moto experiences are quick, easy, intuitive, and make your phone so much fun to use. Here are a few of them. If you turn on chop twice for flashlight, all you need to do is chop down twice to get a flashlight. Now, isn't that useful? You can also flip your phone to activate the Do Not Disturb mode, or take a screenshot by touching and holding the screen with 3 of your fingertips. You can also enable night display to automatically reduce blue light after a certain hour in the day to ensure your sleep is not impacted. You can set the start and end time for it and also adjust the filter intensity. To make the best use of your new Moto G6 Play, we really recommend these Moto experiences. And do visit the Motorola Notifications app to see some really cool updates, to get to know about cool offers and much more. Here's a phone designed completely with you in mind. Time to do awesome things with your new phone now. Welcome again to the Moto family. Bye.